everybody, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to give a huge shout out. Okay, that glare's not gonna be okay. To my girl Katie, Miss Katie Houghton. I always say her name wrong. She's been my dearest friend for many years. Girl did my hair today for 3.5 hours, Miss Thing. And yeah, I love it. So the time has come, you guys. I have been waiting for this freaking package to show up. She's here. I'm not quite sure what all this is. It's from BoxyCharm, so we'll open it together. But as you know, I got on the Jeffree Star. I'm gonna have to blur that out. Sorry, I showed my address. I got on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics deal, and I ordered his mystery box. I tried to get the Supreme, but for some weird reason, I could only get the premium. It was like the drop-down menu just did not work. So we will open this up, and we'll figure it out together. I'm really excited because it's like almost a running joke because I have tried to order his giant mystery boxes like 10 times or as many as he's had. I've always tried to get the big ones and I never seem to get it. So take a hit, you guys, because I'm excited. He said anybody who ordered the premium is going to be really getting surprised. So we shall see. Oh, God. Jesus. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. So, now, first things first. Here's the premium. Oh my God. And I also ordered, oh, look at the postcard, you guys. These boxes are going to stack up. I love his postcards. They are so cute. Okay. I'm sure you guys don't need to see the receipt because you know what I ordered. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, it's here! You guys! So now in all my videos I can go, I love this. This is so cute. And she goes hand in hand. If you want a size comparison, that is directly up against it. So this one is definitely a smidge bit newer, or bigger, I should say. Oh, I love that. I am so excited for that. Okay. Now, drum roll, please. You guys don't understand how freaking hard it was not to open this damn box. Because Lord knows I wanted to bad. I wanted to be like, screw the video. I'm going to open it at work with all my girls. But I did it. I held off for you guys. So I'm so nervous. I hope it's amazing. You guys, I'm a little shooky Shakira already. Okay. I'm excited. Ooh, the shade is called Succulent. Oh, okay. So, let's see what is what. I'm already like peeking inside. You guys, I'm so excited. I can't even attempt to lie to you. I was a little upset because I couldn't get the big one, but you know, maybe it just wasn't time for me to get it. That is stunning. His detail work on all of his freaking products are like the biz. This is crazy. It almost has like, it looks like an iridescent kind of green shift. Pink and green shift. Let's do a swatch and find out. I never wear lip gloss, so I did not order his lip gloss whenever it came out. But, oh. Oh. That is so effing cute. Are you serious? Oh. Like, it's so hard not to love this. Like, no shit, I'm probably gonna wear this quite a bit. That is so friggin' cute. It kind of has like this blue kind of weird shift. I love that. Okay. Okay, so the next item that I see, I'm gonna ship. You guys, I just peeked in here. Is a super, super duper cute Jeffree Star. Looks like a beanie. Oh my God, so cute. Get out of town. How is she though? So cute. You guys. Oh my God. Okay. I'm so happy because if I could like pop off my phone right now, I literally have the red one, and yeah, she's used. It's definitely time to switch. You guys, no fucking way. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna drop my damn mirror. I need to calm down, Charlie Brown. What is this? This cannot be the freaking alien. Dude, shut. You guys, I was gonna order another one. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was gonna order another one because I just hit pan. Oh man. Oh, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my, I love this. I'm so happy. I don't know why I kept thinking there was 5 items in here, you guys. I'm so happy. Like, I really was thinking I wasn't gonna like, I don't know. You know, you just really get your heart set on something, and then it doesn't happen, and then you get really upset. And I was truly upset that I didn't get that big old giant jumbo one, but I love this. I really do, because I got the hat, I got the lip gloss, I got my pop socket, and I got a full brand new alien palette. Because let me show you guys something. I'm like legit about to cry. This one, she's used and abused, and my absolute favorite looks are from this one. But I don't ever I don't ever use it because I've hit pan on so many shades, and they're my favorite, and I was waiting to get some money so I could order another one, but here it is. I'm so happy. Oh my God. He wasn't kidding whenever he said you guys are gonna be fucking shook. And I love this beanie. This beanie is so cute. You guys, how do you not love Jeffree Star? Like, are you kidding me? Oh, Now let's see what the hell boxycharm sent me, because I don't even know what this is. Ugh, you guys, I'm serious. I could literally cry. There was a big mess up with, what is this? What is this? Okay. You guys, I don't... Amanda Rach Lee Doodle Planner. I didn't order this. I don't even know what this is. BoxyCharm, y'all are slipping for real. I'll tell you what else. Okay, y'all ready for this? I ordered 3 items from Boxy Pop-Up in November. They sent me 2 lipsticks. Didn't even order these. Then I had some books, a unique 12-month planner filled with hand-drawn illustrations and mindful layouts to keep you organized. I don't know what that's for. A planner. I didn't even know BoxyCharm sold planners, honestly. That's very strange. Okay. Alrighty. Well, let's see. This also is from BoxyCharm, so who knows? Oh, well, there you go. I ordered this Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder, like I said, November. And it arrived in February, so there's that. I love BoxyCharm. I have never used this, and that's why I ordered it. It's very strange. It's massive, huge. I think I paid like $13 for that. No, I didn't. I paid like 10, I think. Anyways, I don't care about this stuff. Or this stupid book. This stuff, I love this stuff. You guys, this is a whole damn look. He gave away an entire palette. Are you serious? Jeffree Star, you are amazing. You are truly a makeup freaking mogul, and I'm so thankful for everything. I'm not even joking, you guys. I was gonna order another one, and I would have never have bought this lip gloss, but I love it, and I'm gonna be wearing it a lot. I'm so happy that I get to replace my pop socket. And I love this beanie. Oh, I love this. And my mirror is so amazing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. I'm trying to start dropping new videos. So if you like my stuff, please subscribe, and follow me on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.